What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is an update on a few plays that's looking mighty good right now, thanks to this continued market sell-off. But hey guys, listen, if I helped you out in any way, would I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, really not much to say about the market other than the sell-off continues throughout the stock market. Okay, so again, this is that September sell-off spilling over into October. This type of thing is to be expected, guys. You might got one more week, maybe 2 more weeks. You never know what the kind of news is coming out in inflation data and all this kind of other stuff to be catalysts that you might have to be mindful of. But guys, we've been here before. This is nothing new to us, okay? We're gonna keep trucking ahead like we always do. Matter of fact, I'm excited. When you are a real investor, this is when you get excited, okay? And so today, guys, I'm gonna talk about some plays that's looking real tasty right now, that's looking very attractive right now. And I want you guys, based on your trading strategy, okay, you gotta remember to run your race, okay? But I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna do, and if this fits what you doing as well, then okay guys, let's get ready to do what we do. Without further ado, guys, let's hop into the first one on today. ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Look at this, guy, sitting at $18.10. It's up after hours, but it was kind of pretty flat, and I would call it flat in general today, guys. Nothing to really write home about. Everything got brought down in the market with this crash and this sell-off, and then the Facebook news made the market tank even more, okay? But check it out. If we liked it at 20, we gotta love it at 18, 17. Matter of fact, I'm even hoping for 15. Guys, I am a buy low investor. I am a buy and hold guy. I say this to you guys throughout the year, all the time. Buy and hold investor by nature, okay? This is how I always crush the stock market, because it takes you out the rat race. And I love to buy low. Yep, I love ChargePoint at 20. But guess what? I love it even more at 18, 17, 16, or 15, or even if it go lower than that. Because why? Because I've already seen this stock prove itself time and time again, and it will continue to do so. This is not future fintech, okay? It's levels in the game, and you guys got to know that, okay? So check it out, man. With this play being in this range, it's looking really attractive. If I liked it at 20, I gotta love it at 18. I gotta love it even more at 17, and love it even more at the 15 and 16 level. Guys, this is how you fully build out your position, and this is why we talk about the importance of nibbling, so that you're not blowing your whole stack at the $22 level. You ain't got nothing left for the 20 level, and you definitely don't have nothing left if it goes lower, okay? This is where nibbling comes in. I often give the example, if you got $1,000, you can put $250 in at 22, you can put 300 in at 20, you can put another 300 in at 18, and then like you see where I'm doing, you're slowly getting that position built out the correct way as you wait for the bottom. Or if you don't want to wait for the bottom, you can do like I do. You set your own price target. You can say, you know what, 18 is my limit. I don't care if it go to 15, I'll disregard that price action. I'm holding from 18 to 36 for my home run, okay? That's what you can do with plays like any of these plays I'm going to present on today, okay? Next, I got to show some love to PLTR, who has went up over, now it was 10%, now it's over 13% in the after hours. This is another thing I want to point out, guys. Anything can happen in the stock market. That's why it pays to stay 10 toes down, okay? It pays to stay 10 toes down. Anything can happen anytime. One thing we can't do, we can never time when these type of rockets to the moon will happen, okay? Major shout out to PLTR for doing this thing in the after hours, right back up to a level that we already are very familiar with when this play. But this is a play anyway, guys. I was hoping it came down more, and I'm talking about back to the $20 level, because again, if I love ChargePoint at this level, I gotta love PLTR at this level. Those are two quality companies that will give us a great return on our investment, okay? I just wanted to highlight this one. You guys keep your eye on this as it's doing this thing. Don't chase it though, okay? We like this way lower, under 25 to be exact, but more closer to the $20 and $18 level for consistency purpose. Make sure you make a note of that. And listen, like I just said, if we love it at 18 and 20, we gotta love it even more if it came below that. Please mark my words on that, okay? I want you guys to understand principles of investing so that you get this thing down pat and that you master the game, all right? And last but not least is NIO. This one I want you to put on your watch list just because China got some crazy things going on over there. But look, guys, this has came down to our level. What do I always say? For consistency's sake, everybody, drop it in the comments below. Chris said always buy NIO at 34, 37, and 40. Those are our buy zones for this year, 2021, in which we buy NIO. Where is it sitting at? 33.94, right at that level I've always told you about. This is called a technical level of support, okay? This is how I always know these numbers to a T. This is how I'm always able to predict and always hit these home runs with these type of plays, okay? But check it out, guys. I want to teach you guys a quick lesson. This is about a stop loss. I want to show you really quickly. We're going to go here and sell. Okay, now this is an example. Somebody please say class is in session, because I'll see all kind of comments. Why are you selling NIO and all this kind of stuff? Guys, we're doing a lesson right here. Somebody say Chris is teaching us a lesson, okay? This is how you do a stop loss. So as you see, the shares available say 150. So if I wanted to protect myself to the downside, say I wanted to make sure that this play didn't go down past $30. This is what you would do, okay? You would put in 150 shares, because if it goes to 30, if I love it at 34, I gotta love it even more at 30, okay? Guys, you can't just abandon high conviction plays, okay? I ain't talking about high risk plays, I'm talking about high conviction. Know the difference because it's levels. Okay, I put my 150 in. Watch this, we're gonna do a limit stop order, okay? And then we're saying to ourselves, if this came down to, I really would do something like 31.50 to be honest, okay? And then we would say if this comes down to 31.50, we want to sell our 150 shares potentially, because if it comes to 30 or 29 again, how about we take all of this $5,000, $4,700 and rebuy this at 29, already understanding soon as the China news is cleared up, this play will return right back to 34, right back to 37, right back to 40, en route to 52, and then hopefully we make it to 65 sooner than later, okay? Guys, this is how you crush the stock market. I do not care about anything Wall Street does in terms of all their manipulation tactics, okay? When you have a trading plan, you can always dominate the game, okay? Hopefully this lesson was helpful on a stop loss, how to use it, how to employ it, so that you guys can make sure that you are avoiding high risk plays. You guys see the CEI debacle, that wasn't one of ours, but I know thousands of people lost a bunch of money in that particular play. Hopefully, if they come from over here, they use a stop loss to mitigate some of those losses. Shout out to everybody that did win in that play from the onset though, in this run up to $4. But the game is a wicked one, guys. Wall Street don't play fair. They're not trying to see you win. That's why I teach you guys these little nuanced lessons and nuggets that you need to know so that you too can be on guard, okay? And remember, in the stock market, guys, it's not a loss unless you sell. So sometimes you gotta dig your way out the grave, and then you gotta bounce back, make your money back, and then live to play another day. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.